How to use hashtags in Meta Business Suite. Hashtags play a crucial role in increasing the visibility of your content on social media platforms like Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can use hashtags in Meta Business Suite. Using hashtags is very cool, alright, but it shouldn't be misused. It should be relevant. And how do you do so? Move to the left side of the screen and then scroll down and select content. After selecting content, you'll be taken to the contents page. On this page, move to the top right corner and click on create post. Now, after clicking on create post, you'll be taken to the post creation page. So on this page, the first thing to do is to select the account that you want to post this post to, and then add your photo, your video, and then for you to be able to use hashtag, you would have to type out content about your post. For example, and again, the hashtag, like I said, must be relevant. You would have to use hashtags for relevant industry or people or hashtags that align with your content and target audience. So you can just type out here, for example, this is my girl, and then you use the hashtag by coming to the lower right corner of the box. Click on the hashtag, and then you can search for popular hashtags, recent hashtags, or saved hashtags, and then you can use any of them here. But currently I have not used hashtags, that is why it's not displaying. But for you, if you have any hashtag, you can just go ahead and use your normal hashtag on your keyboard and then type out something cool that way. So that's how you can use it, and then once you're done, click on publish to Facebook and you are good to go. And this is how you can use hashtags on your Meta Business Suite. It is very straightforward actually. Just ensure you compose your post well, and then you use something very relevant to your post in order for it to align to your target audience. Thanks for watching and have a good day.